We hear a loud boom and things being thrown around, and look what we found. Aiden got into the cupboard. No, put it back. Put it back. Clean up. Clean up. Good job. Good job. No, leave it in there. Leave it. Come on, let's clean up. Is this a sign? Do you want to try ramen noodles or something? Look it. The whole cupboard's a mess. What the? Hey, honey, your ramen's pre-smashed. Are you a bad boy? Are you a bad boy? Excuse